Welcome to week 20. It's finals time. Yay! All right, here's what we're doing for our final. Part 1. You've already done this. Well, hopefully. You have created a solo film, a game, or a song. You have created a blog post if it was a film or a game, and you received feedback during class. Those are the components of making the film, song, or game. If you made a game, you uploaded it to an itch page that you created when you created your account, and then you entered it into our game jam. Part 2 is that you received feedback during class, and you put that feedback into your blog post. Okay, you set an intention in part 1 when you made the project, and then you received feedback and put some of the comments you received from either the advisory members who are present in some of our classes or from peer review. Part 3 is we're developing a code of conduct. Let me say it again. We are developing a code of conduct, and it is going to help us with second semester. Second semester, we'll be doing a lot of teaming work, and I want to make sure, and this is the document we'll be working on, I want to make sure it's clear what the expectations are for myself, for you, and depending on where we're working, whether it's in Zoom, working on a team element, getting feedback, grades, all that stuff. We want to clarify it so that second semester goes much smoother and that everybody's really clear on what our expectations of each other and the class are. Part 4, your GTD system. If you have been posting your GTD evidence throughout the semester, you're done. If you missed one or two, you're fine. If you're missing all of them or most of them, then you're going to work with me during finals week to establish a GTD system. The reason being is that I need to know that you can get stuff out of your head and manage your own workload for school, because that is indicative of how well you'll be able to manage team projects and all the complexities second semester. If you can't manage yourself, you can't manage a team or be on a team. And I want to make sure you're set up for success, not for failure. That is it for the finals. So, have a great week.